Hi viewers, 11th standard accountancy, chapter 13, exercise sum number 15. Prepare trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet from the following trial balance of Madan as on 31st March 2018. First we have to mark from the given information. Sundry debtors goes to asset side, plant and machinery asset, bank charges is a indirect expenses goes to debit side of the profit and loss account, wages is a direct expenses goes to trading account, sales return trading account, purchases trading account, opening stock trading account, drawing we will calculate with capital, so it goes to liability side. Established expenses is indirect expenses goes to debit side of the profit and loss account. Bad debts is a loss goes on debit side of the profit and loss account. Business premises is an asset. Then capital goes to liability side. Purchases return is a trading account, sales trading account. Bank OD goes to liability side. Then they have given some adjustment. Each and every adjustment will appear two places on the final account. Okay, so closing stock goes to trading account and asset side. Provide depreciation on plant and machinery. We have to find out 20% depreciation from the plant and machinery. It appears depreciation appears on debit side of the profit and loss account, because depreciation is the loss. It appears on debit side of the profit and loss account, and we have to subtract 20% depreciation from the machinery account. It appears on asset side, because plant and machinery is an asset. Okay, so write off 800. Further bad debts, already we have bad debts within the box. This is the old bad debts. With that we have additional bad, further means additional bad debts. It's also a loss. All losses will appear on the debit side of the profit and loss account, and have to subtract with the debtors. Okay, so debtors appears on asset side, so we have to subtract 800 rupees from debtors. It also appears on asset side. Provide doubtful debts also goes to it's a loss goes to debit side of the profit and loss, and we have to subtract 5% doubtful debts from sundry debtors. So sundry debtors appears on asset side, so doubtful debts 5% also appears on asset side. Okay, let's see. Prepare the trading account and profit and loss account and balance sheet. Okay, first we go for trading account. So we know very well, on trading account debit side always started with opening stock 30,000. Purchases we have the adjustment, so we have to subtract purchases from purchases return. We will get 1,50,000. To wages and credit side we have sales and subtract sales return and closing stock. So from the we have to find the differences. That difference is 1,43,000. so the different amount is the gross profit of the trading account. We have to enter that gross profit into the transfer into the profit and loss account credit side. Okay, then we know very well establishment expenses, bank charges, depreciation 20%, as usual we enter here. Then bad debts, that means old bad debts, we have entered inside the amount column, and the new bad debts, that means additional bad debts. Okay, 800 rupees we have to add this. We will get 1,600 rupees, plus we have to add 5% provision on doubtful debt. That by 5% means how? Listen, if they given percentage, before we have to look at previous transaction, that is we have bad debts. Okay, so we have to subtract 800 rupees bad debts, further bad debts from the sundry debtors 61,000 we will get. So sundry debtors we have 61,000. Okay, we have to subtract additional bad debts 800 rupees, right? So we got 60,200, right? From the 16,200 we have to find out 5% on doubtful debts. Okay, so 5% on doubtful debts means this 20 is to be cancelled for here. 5 2s are 10, remaining 1 5 is 1 is here. Okay, so 5 6 are 30. So we have 3010 rupees for new provision for doubtful debts. How much rupees? 3010 rupees. Okay, we have to add this one. So for that new provision 5%, how much rupees? 3010 rupees we have entered here. After added we will get 4610 rupees. Then all the information what are they given in the question related to profit and loss account we have entered here. Now we have to find out the differences. That different is 98,190 rupees. This is the net profit what we got from the profit and loss account. So we prepared trading and profit and loss account. Let's go to balance sheet. Okay, so on balance sheet first we go to liability side. Capital 70,000 rupees. We have to add net profit 98,190. We added, we will get 1,80,000, 68,190. With that we have to less drawings 22,000. We will get 1,46,190 rupees, and bank overdraft 77,000 rupees. Okay, let's go for asset side. They have sundry debtors 61,000. We have to subtract 800 rupees from 61,000. We will get 60,200. From that we have to subtract 5% new provision 310 rupees. We will, after subtracted we will get 57,190. Then plant and machinery we have 80,000. Depreciation they provided 20% from plant and machinery. So plant and machinery how much rupees? 80,000, right? So for 80,000 we have to find out 20%. 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10, 1 5 is 5. Here remaining 3, 6 5s are 30. This 20 30 is to be here. So 16,000. 20% on depreciation rupees 16,000. We have to subtract this from plant and machinery. We will get 64,000, and business premises is the asset entered here. Finally, after entered all the information related to asset side, finally we have to enter closing stock 80,000. Okay, so what are the information related to assets and liability side we have entered here. Okay, now we are going to find out the total. As per the format of the balance sheet, the total of two sides, that means liabilities and asset sides, is to be equal. So we got 2,23,190 rupees on both assets and liability sides. Do you have any doubt? Please comment it on the comment box. Thank you. Take care.